Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Hello, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm cooking lasagna and stuff, and this is all the ingredient that I'm putting in it. That's all the ingredients. You guys don't see the cheese because I'm just showing you, you know, the ingredient stuff that goes in the lasagna. So yeah, I have had no lasagna in a minute, but I just want to come back to this to show you the ingredient that I put in it. All right. Also, I'll do Italian sauce and ground beef. So yeah, and this is after I got everything brown, because I'm gonna put it's in the oven. This is the one that I use, the foil. All right. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, we made some lasagna for dinner. Now here's the deal. I am so upset. I'm gonna tell you why, you guys. I'll record showing you guys how I make this lasagna. And when I was editing all my video, somehow, I don't know, somehow, you know how sometimes you delete unnecessary videos to give you space on your phone. And oh my God, it deleted. It really deleted the cooking process. Oh, I'm so mad. But anyway, today this is what we having for dinner. So again, all the edit I did didn't make no, just, you know, people, you know, when you guys cook, you know how it is when you edit something and stuff, when you cooking this meal and stuff and it get deleted. Oh my God. But anyway, it's all, like I said, it ain't all good, because I would really show you guys, you know, how I cook this lasagna. But anyway, some of the ingredients that's the only one that did not get deleted, is some of the ingredients that I had record on this lasagna. But anyway, I'm gonna tell you what kind of meat is in it. It's 3 types of meat. Okay, it's Italian beef. I'm sorry. It's ground beef, Italian sausage, porter sausage, and stuff. So that's what's all in it. So I'm gonna flip it around, because I'm gonna make my plate, because I'm gonna flip it around to show you before I put it on my plate, you know, how it look inside. Now this is how I look inside. That's the only thing that I have to show you guys, but because again, like I said, when cooking this, somehow I wanted to show you guys, you know, all the stuff, you know, when we cook this lasagna. But okay, anyway, it's all good. But that look good, you guys. Oh my God, right? And I make sure this, when I upload this, make sure it won't get deleted, hopefully. All right, okay, so now I'm gonna show you the other stuff that we having. Is the salad right here. I don't know if you guys ever had this. Hold on, let me pause it. Okay, this is what it's called. Yep, and that's the ingredient inside of it. And then we having some garlic knot. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that. It's the garlic bread. And this one I'm talking about, the garlic knot garlic bread. That's what we having. So anyway, you guys, I just want to just because like I said, you won't see how I did record this, but somehow it got deleted. But anyway, it's all, like again, like I say, it's all good. So now I will show you my plate. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I cooked my garlic bread, the knots in my air fryer, you guys. Okay. So now I already made my plate so far. Okay, this is my plate, you guys. This is my dinner. See how thick it is? And this is the classic, this is the dressing I'm using. And I might put some in that. You guys probably know that. And then they sometimes, Italian people, they do put Parmesan cheese on top of it. Okay? So, don't they look good, you guys? I wish my video would never got it deleted when I was editing it, to show you guys how, you know, I cooked my lasagna. Yeah. And I did what I did. I didn't know how much salad I want, so I had put some in this little bowl. Okay, so put the bread on the side. Okay, you guys. Alrighty. Oh, don't they look good, you guys? Big, big, thick. How tall you guys think that is? It is really, really deep. Yeah, anyway. But this is my dinner, you guys. So, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. Subscribe, like, comment if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed night and be safe out there, you guys. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. God bless. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, you guys, first I gotta take a picture. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Okay, and I'm put some Italian dressing on it. Oops. Wow. I forget this is a big hole. Oh my God. Okay. And this right here, you guys, I might just dip some on my lasagna. I'm just gonna put it on the side because it's kind of really, really hot. Yeah. So I will show you guys how I give you guys the first bite.
Hey.